Pawniard, the Sharp Blade Pokemon. A dark and steel type. It uses riverstones to maintain the cutting edges of the blades covering its body. These sharpened blades allow it to bring down opponents. A pack of these Pokemon forms to serve as a Bisharp boss. Each Pawniard trains diligently, with one goal of one day taking the lead. Its attacks are Assurance, Fury Cutter, Guillotine, Iron Defense, Iron Head, Laser Focus, Leer, Metal Claw, Metal Silence, Night Slash, Scary Face, Scratch, Slash, Sword Stance, and Torment. I plan on debuting this Pokemon for episode 4 on my brand new crossover episode series. After the Pokédex was completed and continuing its goal on having its data refilled again. And finished. There we are. That's how you draw Pawniard.